problem was that he missed a lot of my sports games. He was always working. He was if you ever read the E-Myth, he was a technician. He was a very successful business owner, but the business owned him. He didn't really own the business. And so I saw that and I said, I want all the benefits, but none of the like costs of missing out on family time with that. And so for that reason, long story short, kind of going around in circles here, this is why I feel like I have grit. Is I realized that early on, and a multi-level marketing company really helped me to understand and dig down deep. We call it the 7 layers of why, and just asking yourself, okay, what do you want? And then you ask yourself why. And you ask that 7 times, and you really get down deep into figuring out exactly why you really want to do that. So when you say, hey, I want to be financially free, and then you ask yourself, well, why do you want to be financially free? And then you say, because I want more time with family. Well, why do you want more time with family? And you ask yourself that 7 times, you really get down to the core of what you want. And if that truly is what you want, then that creates all the grit and the motivation that you need.